Most people wait too long to invest, and that one choice changes their whole life. Your 20s and 30s are not just for work and fun. They're also for small, smart money moves. You do not need to be rich to start investing. You only need time and patience. Think of money like a seed. If you plant it early, it grows slowly and strong. If you plant the same seed very late, it has less time to grow. Many young people think investing is scary. They feel it is only for experts. But investing is just saving with a plan. It is money working while you sleep. Imagine you save money in a box at home. That money stays the same for years. Now imagine you put that money to work. Slowly, it brings small extra money. That extra money also starts working. This is how growth begins. This growth is not fast magic. It is slow, calm, and steady. Think of a person who saves a little each month. They do it again and again. Another person waits and spends everything. They say, "I will start later." Years pass, and the gap becomes clear. One feels relaxed, the other feels stressed. Starting early gives you peace. You do not need to rush later. In your 20s, mistakes are okay. You have time to learn and fix them. In your 30s, time is still on your side, but waiting more starts to hurt. You do not need big amounts. Even small money matters. Skipping one coffee can be money saved. That small choice repeats every month. Small steps done often beat big steps done once. Many people think investing means daily trading. That is not true. Smart investing is calm and boring. It does not need daily watching. You choose simple options and stay patient. Then you let time do the work. Life will have ups and downs. Your money path will too. When money goes down, people panic. Smart people stay calm. They remember why they started. They think long-term. Investing is not a race. It is a long walk. You do not compare your walk to others. You focus on your own steps. Some friends may get rich fast. Some may lose fast too. Slow growth protects you from big pain. Before investing, basics come first. You must control spending. If money leaves faster than it comes, investing feels hard. A simple budget helps a lot. It shows where money goes. You tell your money where to go, not the other way around. An emergency fund is important. It protects you from sudden trouble. Without safety money, you may sell in fear. That hurts long-term growth. Smart investing starts with safety. Then growth comes. You do not need to know everything. You only need to start simple. Learning happens while you move forward. Waiting to be perfect delays everything. Time is the biggest helper in investing. Young people have more of it. Each year you wait, time reduces, but starting today adds time. Think of your future self. They will thank you for starting early. Future, you will face less stress. Bills will feel lighter. Money choices today shape tomorrow. Small choices build big results. Investing is self-care for your future. It is quiet but powerful. You do not need luck. You need discipline. You do not need speed. You need consistency. Monthly habits are stronger than one-time effort. This is how normal people win. Your job gives income today. Investing supports income later. One supports your present, the other supports your future. Life becomes easier with balance. Work, save, invest, repeat. Many people regret not starting earlier. Very few regret starting early. Fear often comes from not knowing. Learning removes fear. Simple knowledge builds confidence. Confidence builds action. Action builds results over time. Time rewards. Patience. You do not need to check prices daily. Peace matters more. Good investing fits normal life. It does not take over your day. It works quietly in the background, like a helper you forget about. The goal is freedom, not stress. Calm growth leads there. Spending gives joy today. Investing gives comfort tomorrow. Both can exist together. Balance is the key. You are not late if you start now. Now is always the best time. Waiting for perfect time wastes years. Perfect time never comes. Starting small removes fear. Small steps feel safe. As confidence grows, steps grow too. This feels natural. Money habits shape life habits. Good habits spread everywhere. Investing teaches patience and control. These skills help in life. You learn to think long-term. This changes decisions. Short-term pain brings long-term comfort. This trade is worth it. Your future is built quietly today. No one sees it happening. Years later, results speak loudly. They tell your story. You will not remember mischopping. You will remember peace. Money, stress hurts health and sleep. Planning reduces that stress. Investing is planning with hope. It is not gambling. Hope plus patience creates stability. Stability creates freedom. Freedom means more choices in life. Choices bring happiness. This journey belongs to normal people, not just experts. If you earn money, you can invest that in Sinog. Your age is your strength today. Use it wisely. Every month is a new chance. You can always restart. The smartest move is beginning. Everything else comes later. Start where you are right now. Use what you have. Do not rush. Do not fear. Just stay steady. Your future is watching quietly. It depends on today. This is how ordinary people build wealth. Slow, simple, and calm. No shortcuts, no tricks. Just time and discipline. Your 20s and 30s matter deeply. They shape the next decades. A small start today is powerful. It grows while you live. Smart investing is a quiet friend, always working for you. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Life gets busy with work and family. Money plans often get ignored. Smart people make investing automatic. They do not rely on mood. When money moves on its own, you do not forget. Think of it like paying a bill. It happens every month. Except this bill is for your future. And it comes back to you. Some months feel easy. Some months feel tight. In tight months, people stop investing. This breaks the habit. Small amounts are okay in hard times. Stopping fully is the real problem. Consistency matters more than amount. This is a key lesson. Markets go up and down. This scares many people. When prices fall, fear spreads fast. People want to run, but falling prices are normal. They happen again and again. Think of it like seasons. Winter always comes, but winter never stays forever. Spring always returns. Smart investors expect ups and downs. They are not surprised. They do not try to predict. They stay patient. Trying to guess the perfect time fails. No one can do it. Even experts get it wrong. Normal people should not try. Regular investing removes timing, stress. You buy in all seasons. This spreads risk naturally. It keeps things balanced. News can be very loud. It creates fear and excitement. Too much news causes bad choices. Calm minds do better. Checking daily prices increases stress. It adds no value. Long-term plans need long-term thinking. Daily noise does not help. Another mistake is copying others. Everyone's life is different. Your friend's success is not your plan. Your needs are unique. Compare less, focus more. This brings peace. Goals give direction to investing. Without goals, people quit. Goals can be simple. A home, safety, or freedom. Clear goals give meaning. They keep you steady. When fear comes, goals remind you why. They stop panic. Investing should match your life stage. Young life allows more time. More time means more recovery. This reduces risk fear. As life grows, plans can change. This is normal. Review plans sometimes. Do not change them daily. Good investing is boring. Excitement often brings loss. Slow progress feels small at first, then it surprises you. Years of effort suddenly show results. This feels rewarding. Discipline beats motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Habits stay even when tired. That is their power. A simple plan is easier to follow. Complex plans fail easily. Simple choices reduce mistakes. This protects growth. Fees and costs matter over time. Small cuts grow big. Lower costs keep more money working. This helps long-term results. Greed pushes people to risk too much. This often ends badly. Balance protects you from extremes. Not too risky, not too safe. Patience is a skill you build. It improves with time. Mistakes will happen. They are part of learning. The key is not repeating them. Learning moves you forward. Saving and investing work together. One supports the other. Spending with control makes investing easier. Mindless spending blocks. Growth. Money should support your life, not control it. Clear money habits reduce anxiety. This improves daily life. Your future depends on quiet actions today, not big talks. Even boring months matter. They still add value. Time rewards those who wait. Rushing breaks progress. Wealth grows slowly, tends steadily, rarely suddenly. Trust the process you chose. Doubt less. You do not need to be perfect. You need to continue. Missing 1 month is okay. Giving up is not. Restarting is always possible. Shame is useless. Your money story is personal. Own it fully. Others will have opinions. They do not live your life. Peace comes from clarity. Clarity comes from planning. The longer you stay invested, the stronger results become. Time smooths many problems. This is its magic. Quiet growth builds confidence. Confidence builds freedom. Freedom means less fear about tomorrow. This is priceless. Investing is a long promise to yourself. Keep it gently. You are building options, not pressure. That matters. Money should bring comfort, not constant worry. Staying invested is the hardest part. It is also the most important. Simple plans survive hard times. Complex ones break. Your future self depends on today's discipline. This connection is real. Each year of patience adds strength. Results compound quietly. Small choices repeat into big outcomes. This is how life works. Your journey does not need applause. It needs consistency. Long-term thinking protects peace of mind. Short-term thinking steals it. You are closer than you think. Just keep moving. The path is not straight, but it still works. Stay calm during noise. Silence is powerful. Trust time more than fear. Time has proven itself. Normal people win by staying patient. This is the secret. Money grows best in calm hands, not shaking ones. Your future comfort is built slowly and steadily. Each month adds another brick. Together, they form security. The plan works if you stay. Leaving breaks it. You are building something invisible today. It becomes visible later. Staying invested is the smart move. It changes everything.